Got a quick one for you folks today with how to fix missing inventory in your saddlebags in the Dakota riverbed. Let's dive into it. Alrighty, now when you first spawn in and check your horse to find nothing in your saddlebags, you're going to want to catch this and start this process here to recuperate your inventory. Step number 1, with your saddlebags open and your inventory wiped, press F8 on the keyboard. This will open up the Dakota Riverbend console where you can type commands. Type quit into the text bar. Note, if you cannot type for some reason, press F8 2 more times to open and close the console. Step number 2, press enter and this should take you back to your desktop, reopen Redm and head back in game. Now, this process is saving the last known script from your saddlebag inventory and reloading it. Folks, if you interrupt this process by putting something in your saddlebags, then doing this process, it will not, and I repeat, not work. Step number 3, after logging back in, call your horse and your inventory should be back. Once again folks, this is not perfect, but if you're looking to get your things back in the Dakota Riverbend at the time of making this video, this is the best way. I hope this was helpful to anybody joining on into the Dakota Riverbend or even has been playing and never knew this trick. Please like and subscribe for more tips, tricks, guides, and so on. Also consider following us on Twitch and socials. Links will be in the description.